Hello, everyone. I am Zhao Chuan. Today, let's get to know Ruxue the panda. The panda is an animal we are very familiar with. It's a species endemic to China. For many decades, the taxonomic classification of the panda was under debate. Generally, we call it Xiong Mao in Chinese, literally bear cat. With the word cat as the base noun, we usually think it's a member of the cat family, but some people call it Mao Xiong, literally cat bear, and think it's a bear. In the early years, some thought it belonged to the family Procyonidae, because of its unique black eye patches in common with raccoons. In these past years, it's been gradually confirmed that the giant panda is a bear species, because we have a technique called DNA sequencing nowadays, and can compare the gene levels. Through DNA sequencing, we know the giant panda is closely related to the bear, so it is a true member of the family Ursidae. Compared with other bears, the panda is much smaller in size. We know that many kinds of bears, such as the brown bear, can reach 2 to 3 meters when they stand up, but the giant panda is generally even shorter than humans, and about the same size as humans. Another distinctive feature is its diet. Most bears are omnivores. When they eat plants, they prefer fresh and juicy ones, and they love plant fruits. Bears are good at hunting and like to eat honey and fish. The giant panda used to be carnivorous, too. At least its ancestor was absolutely carnivorous. But without a strong physique compared to other bears, its territory gradually became smaller. Then, it was driven to places like bamboo forests, where the plants are relatively deficient in nutrients. So it began to live on bamboo. While giant pandas occasionally hunt, and we once saw them catch deer or other small animals, but that rarely happens. Giant pandas are comparatively lazy. They usually live in dense forests and feed on bamboo, since it's easy for them to forage. But overall, bamboo is not very nutritious, so giant pandas have to keep eating for most time to maintain their vitality. That's why they seem to be lazy. We think the giant panda is cute because it has a round face. That's because it has evolved a well-developed masseter to munch hard food like bamboo, which makes its entire face wide and round. It's also characterized by its bold black and white coat, which makes it hard to hide in nature. That also means the giant panda has few natural predators, or lives in harmony with other animals in its habitats, so that the unique black and white color has evolved. Speaking of which, we can pay attention to the giant panda's tail. It looks like it wears a pair of black pants, but its tail is white. It's very interesting. Another feature of the giant panda is its paws. It's hard to see clearly from this angle of the model, as its paws are facing inward. If you look from the inside, you'll find the unique feature of the giant panda, that is, it seems to have 6 fingers. Actually, like other bears, it has 5 toes and 5 fingers. Be it human beings or other animals, they have a group of wrist bones. A wrist bone of the giant panda protrudes, and forms a jointed, movable structure that can function as a thumb. Of course, it has no nail or claw, so it's just like an extra finger, and helps the giant panda better hold grasp of food, like bamboo while eating. Good, the above concludes our introduction to Ruxue the panda.